Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your date of birth in Blockman Go. First of all, open the Blockman Go application on your device and log in. From the home page of Blockman Go, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the profile icon. Soon after you get to your profile, from your profile section of Blockman Go, go to the top right corner and tap on the pencil button. This will open up the personal info section where you'll need to tap on birthday. Now go ahead and edit your birthday information like you normally do from the toggle menu at the bottom. Once done, click on the tick mark at the bottom right and you have successfully updated or changed your birthday. This way you can easily update your birthday if you've ever made a mistake while registering for Blockman Go. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.